Hey there digital folks, I'm back again and today we are going to talk about the top 3 AI tools which you can use for your email marketing. But उससे पहले हम जरा बढ़ते हैं ईमेल मार्केटिंग होती क्या है। ईमेल एक ऐसा है कि हम लोग आपको मेल करते हैं और एक कंटेंट बनता है जिसके थ्रू आप अपने क्लाइंट्स, प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स या कस्टमर्स के साथ रीच कर सकते हैं, उनके साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ईमेल एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग रोबस्ट सिस्टम होता है जो एक आपकी कम्युनिटी बन जाता है और ये ईमेल्स उन लोगों के हैं जिन्होंने आपके प्रोडक्ट या सर्विसेज को पसंद किया है या सब्सक्राइब करा है। एक बारी वो सब्सक्राइब करते हैं आपके प्रोडक्ट या सर्विसेज को, दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ योर कम्युनिटी। तो इनके साथ इंटरेक्शन रखना एंड दिस ऑल्सो विल कम ऑन मूविंग इनटू न्यू प्रोस्पेक्टिंग, ये एक ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस है। सो लेट्स मूव फर्दर एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज एन एआई इन द ईमेल रोबस्ट सिस्टम। आजकल एक ईमेल लिखना बहुत आसान चीज हो गई है। गॉन आर द डेज कि हम स्ट्रगल करते थे, कस्टमर्स को एक सेल्स कॉल करना है, कोल्ड कॉल करना है या आप किसी नए प्रोस्पेक्ट को रीच आउट करना चाहते हैं। Today, emailing has become as simple as because the AI system is there, and the AI system makes it very easy for us to just write exactly what the customer is looking for. Let's move on into our product one for the AI robust system, which is FlowWrite. FlowWrite.ai is a very powerful tool. It creates a kind of a conversation with your client. It is completely plagiarism free. कैसे एक अच्छा email copy बनना चाहिए. If you have not explored it yet, go ahead and do this. Initially, for 14 days, it is absolutely free. After that, it is something like £4 and it is almost about 200 messages per year. So go about closing this and seeing ये कैसे work करता है FlowWrite, which is a very interactive, robust system. Second AI tool is YAM. YAM is again a very powerful tool जिसमें आपकी एक subject line create हो जाती है और आपका एक instant एक email copy बन जाती है which is going to your prospects. The beauty of this is there are some key features. I'm going to just run through them and explain you step by step the key features. The first key feature is you can integrate your Gmail and Google Sheets to speed up email sending. Isn't that great कि आप अपने Gmail और Google Sheets को इसमें integrate कर सकते हैं. Second is you can obviously have your subject line, your email body, image attachments, all this can be done. Third obviously is there you can track the open rate. That is so good because you know how many people are seeing your mail at that particular time. You can also see the bounce, you can see the unsubscribe from your Google Sheets. And lastly, you can schedule your mail whatever time you want to send it ताकि आपके chances of opening it in a different country becomes more popular and it gets opened. The pros are it is very cost effective, it automates, and possibly if I was to talk of the cons, it is a restriction on the number of emails per day. So that obviously is a big restriction and it also relies on external services like Gmail and Google Sheet. So while YAM comes with a free plan, but go ahead and still try this tool as later as you move on into the pricing structure, it moves on up to $25 and as the features are increasing. The third tool is Copy AI. As the name suggests, it creates a copy and helps to reach out to your customers at the earliest. You are supposed to create this and once the whole copy mail is created, you can reach out to your various customer. Let's understand what are the key features of this Copy AI. Firstly, it can create a digital ad copy, social media content, website copy, even an e-commerce copy, blog content and sales copy. Isn't that so great? And the pro version generates content in multiple languages. So you don't need to be kind of, looking at this. The pro level is really good because you can reach out. If you want to reach out to a German client, to a French client, you can have a focus on that particular target audience. And you can also built-in tools will generate you more content ideas. So if you are short of content ideas, this is a tool which will help you reach out over there. The pricing is that it comes with a very limited thing and you can possibly just use about 2,000 words. Otherwise, if you move on into the paid model, it moves on up to $40 per month. But still, I would recommend go ahead and explore this platform as this is the future and this is how the email copies are being generated today. So while I just listed the top 3 AI tools for email, you have to obviously understand this is all artificial intelligence and it is not very predictive. So you have to see what really works for you. Possibly that would also require a manual intervention of somebody who understands copy and is able to kind of go through it before you finally hit the send button. If you really like this video, go ahead and subscribe so that you can see videos on the same lines as in the series we are creating for the AI tools in different areas in the digital marketing.